Hey guys, today I'm at Tyler's shop and I'm going to be turning this into a fancy bottle opener for a little New Year's special. So, who needs a long intro? Let's get into it. Okay, so we've got the base bottle opener all forged out, which is half the battle. So I'm gonna start doing some decorative work on this thing. But the real question the bottle opener was saying to me while I was forging it is, are you subscribed? We've seen a lot of support this year and we wanted to thank you guys for that. But if you guys have not subscribed, consider it. We've got a lot of good content coming up. Easy. And what's a bottle opener in New Year's, for that sake, if not to be tested? And for those of you who have noticed, don't worry, this is apple cider. I'm not drinking alcohol. I'm 16. But also, we gotta test it, right? And with that, that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys for coming along. It was a quick one, I know, but it was a lot of fun to film. And just wanted to say thanks from me and Tyler for all the support you guys have shown us this year. We got like, what, 200 subscribers, 250 or something this year, which is just crazy. We never, we've made this channel just for fun. We never thought we would actually get some support like that. So thank you guys so much. It means the world to us, and we'll see you guys next year.